much. I already did my brows and I have lashes on because it's kind of like a look that I would do when I have my lashes done, which I have them done next week. So when I do, I'll come back and do more videos because I feel like everybody should have lashes. So I already prepped my face with Pond's Clearant B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream, and I love this stuff. I wear it every night and every morning before I do my makeup. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna set and spray my face, or prime my face, with Mario Badescu's Skincare Facial Spray, which is the holy grail. And one thing I did also after I did my brows was I went in with Lumi Glow Amore to make my skin a little dewy. Like I mixed it in with this, rubbed it, mixed these two in together, rubbed it, put it all over my face. So let's get started. I'm gonna take MAC Raizin, which I use all the time, almost every single day when I wear makeup. I'll use this. My face isn't completely dry yet, but whatever. Alright guys, so here I'm just taking MAC's Raizin and blending that all on my crease and all on my lid. And now I'm taking the Morphe 350 Nature Palette, and I'm taking that light color all the way in the left hand corner and blending that all on my brow bone. And now I'm going to spray my sponge with Mario Badescu spray per usual and put my foundation on, and right now I'm using Makeup Forever HD foundation. And now I'm just going to take my LA Pro Girl concealer and I'm going to put that under my eye in a triangle shape and then blend it out. Now for my favorite product ever, and I'm going to take Absolute New York Shading Contouring Palette, use the lightest shade that's in the middle, and set my under eyes. And now I'm going to take my Makeup Forever HD foundation powder and set my foundation pretty much like my entire face. And now I'm going to take MAC's Blunt and contour them cheeks and my chin. Duh. Oh, and of course, don't forget the nose. And here is for the part that had me shooketh to my core. It was NYX Synthetica highlighter. I had been having it for like months, but never used it because I was obsessed with Snow Rose. So I finally used it. Okay, I'm shook. And you already know I'm spraying with Mario Badescu, so don't act like you don't know. And now I'm taking this mauve color from NK Beauty and dotting that on my bottom lip, and then taking a lip gloss also by NK Beauty, and it's actually just like a clear with a little bit of a pink tint, and mixing that together for a natural gloss finish.